now in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Winter weather advisory in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a winter weather advisory for snow and blowing snow, which is in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches. Snow accumulations 4 to 8 inches. Timing: the snow will be heaviest during the afternoon, then become light by this evening. Winds north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Impacts: snow will make travel hazardous and slow across the region. Untreated surface will be slick. In addition, strong winds will cause blowing snow and poor visibilities. Temperatures 10 to 27. A winter storm warning is issued when severe winter weather is expected. Heavy snow and slash or ice will cause hazardous driving conditions. If you will be traveling in the warning area, you should choose an alternate route if possible, or you should use extreme caution if travel is unavoidable. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates.